Guys, I want us to watch this video you are seeing right here together. Let's watch this video together.
Good morning. Today I'm making one of my favorites, fried egg with toasted bread. Let me just get my apron on. All I need is 2 eggs, a slice of bread, a bit of butter, and some salt and pepper. Let's get the pan going first. I always start with the pan before anything else. A little butter, medium heat. Melting it slowly is the secret to a soft egg. Now I crack the egg in gently so the yolk stays whole. A little salt, a little pepper, just enough to season it right.
So this is how we are going to start creating the video. We have our master prompt already. We have everything being prompt. So if you want to prompt your own video, you need a master prompt. If you need this master prompt, I'm going to drop this master prompt in the comment section of this video. Just go to the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link that will take you to where you are going to get the master prompt. Or you go to my bio, you are going to see a link. Just click on the link. It's going to take you to where you are going to get this master prompt. And when you get this master prompt, all you just need to do is just to fill in your detail. As you can see, just fill in your detail. Like it's going to take you to interface like this, where you're going to put the character, the kind of character you want to use. You explain, you put it, and the settings where you want you want to be cooking, the kitchen, which type of kitchen do you want to use, you can put it there. Your voice, which type of voice you want to use, Nigeria voice, American voice, the type of voice you want to use. For example, let me show you the example here. As you can see, where it says character, this is what you need to put. Where it says settings, this is what you need to put. Where it says voice, this is what you need to put. Everything on the master prompt, you are going to get all the detail like this, and also how you are going to use the master prompt. So just go to the comment section of this video or the description of this video, and you are going to get the master prompt. And this is the master prompt. You just copy the master prompt and you take it to ChatGPT and you paste it to ChatGPT, and you replace it with your own video idea, what you want to cook, everything you want to cook, and you put it there. And after you put it there, it's going to write it for you like this. As you can see, this is the way it's writing my own right now. As you can see, the dishes I want to fry egg and toasted corn, everything. As you can see, dishes I want to use, and the Nigeria home style breakfast. As you can see, character, beautiful Nigeria woman in early 20s. So settings, modern Lagos kitchen, white cabinet, you can see, and voice, calm, warm, like she is cooking something. So now it's going to say scene 1. Now we are going to start copying from scene 1, and you just copy here like this, where it says image prompt. We copy the image prompt like this. After we copy the image prompt, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to Flow AI. We'll be using Flow AI. You can use Flow AI. You can use any AI tool you want to use. You can use free AI tool, any AI tool you want to use. Now, we'll be using Flow AI. For example, this is Flow AI. Now, after you head over to Flow AI, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on New Project here. And when you click on New Project here, the next thing you are going to do is to paste that your prompt you just copy. You paste it here, and after you paste it here, you click on Generate. But if you want to have a perfect image for yourself, you can also use what is it called? You can use ChatGPT to generate your image, and you are going to get perfect image. So why I'm generating this right now directly, it is because I don't want to use my own face. But if you want to use your own face, all you need to do is just to upload your image as a reference image. Just upload your image as a reference image. So as you can see now, this is the image it gave to me. Why I use this image? It is because I don't want to use my own image because I'm man. But I can also decide to use my own. If I want to be doing it as a man, I'll just change the model here. I will change it to man. Where you say beautiful woman, Nigeria woman, I'll just change it to man, and I will start creating my own video. Now, let's use this image as an example. This image. Now, I'll just click on save, and I will download the image so that I can re-upload the image next time. Now, after downloading the image, the next thing I'm going to do is to just click on this animate here, and I'm going to come back to my prompt. So you just go back to your prompt in ChatGPT, and when you come down to your prompt, you copy everything like this. This scene 1, you copy it like this. You copy it to the end of you want to see scene 2, and you come back here and you paste it here. After pasting it, you set this to 10 seconds. It set this to 10 seconds. So we are using Omni Flash because it's one of the best AI tool right now that is trending. Now you click on generate, and when you click on generate, just give it some minutes. You are going to see how the result is going to be, and we are going to continue generating our video scene by scene. So this master prompt is going to write the full video for you, up to 1 minute video, 2 minute video, how you want your video to be. Every processor in every process, just the way you see the video playing at the beginning of this video. So let's wait for the result to be done, and you guys are going to see how it's going to look like. Now this is the video has generated. Let's play the video. This is the video here.
Good morning. Today I'm making one of my favorites, fried egg and toasted bread. Let's get into it. Let's get into it.
Now the first one has generated, as you can see, the first one has generated. Now after the first one has generated, let's click here and we click on download, and we download it to our phone. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back, and when you come back, you come to scene 2 here. Scene 2, we just need to copy scene 2 like this. We copy everything like this. And after we copy it, the next thing we are going to go back to the AI tool. We tap on the image again, we click on animate. We put it on 10 seconds again, and we click on generate. So allow it to generate. Oh, my phone battery is low, sorry. So we don't have much time again because my phone battery is low. So just pay attention, and let's round up quickly. So just allow it to load to generate the video. So all you just need to do is just to be copying your prompt, because ChatGPT has already generated everything for you. Any AI tool you are using to generate your video, it has generated everything for you. So all you just need to do is just to be copying it one by one, and you'll be generating your video. You copy, you generate your video. You copy, you generate your video. And after you generate all the videos in, you are going to add everything together on CapCut. So let's allow it to generate this video. Now the video has generated. Let's play it.
All I need is 2 eggs, a slice of bread, a bit of butter, and salt and pepper. All I need is 2 eggs, a slice of bread, a bit of butter, and salt and pepper.
Now, as you can see, it was bringing everything out. So the next thing we are going to do is to go back again. We copy, we come down to scene 3 because we are trying to break everything down step by step, how to prepare the food. Then we bring it to scene 3 like this. After coming down to scene 3, we tap on the image again. So we are going to use this simple image to generate everything. Then we click on animate. We bring down to in scene 3. We click on generate again, 10 seconds again. So we could go back again. Let's copy the next one, scene 4 also. Let's copy scene 4. Copy scene 4. Let's go back. This one has stopped because I minimize. So let's generate that one again. Now we tap here, we paste our next one, and we click on, next one. So this one is generating. We tap on it, we click on animate, we paste our next prompt, that is for scene 4. Now we are generating it one by one, as you can see. So we just allow it to generate, and after it generates, we are going to take everything together to CapCut and add everything together. Sorry, my battery is low, so I have to be very fast. So if you need the master prompt is going to be in the description of this video or the comment section of this video. So just go there, you are going to see a link. You touch the link, is going to take you to the place where you are going to get the master prompt. And after you get the master prompt, this one has failed. Let me regenerate again. Now, after generating all your scenes, you have generated all your scenes, because when you come to ChatGPT here, where you generate your prompt, you are going to see it's going to explain everything in a detail till you get the result. As you can see, it's going to explain everything in a detail. So all you just need to do is just to be using, copying it and be putting it, copying it and be putting it, and it will be generating the video for you. So, and after you generate everything, you take it to CapCut. Let's go to CapCut. You take it to CapCut, and you are going to see all the videos in. You click on new project, new video, and you are going to see everything up here. I've not downloaded, sorry. I've not downloaded everything. So you add everything together on CapCut and your video is going to look nice. My phone battery is low, so we'll continue this video some other time. If you need the master prompt, you let me know. Just go to the comment section of this video and you get the master prompt and you start generating your cooking head video just like the one you watched at the beginning of this video. See you guys on my next video.